Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you doing this week? Today we are going to be making something for Easter. My sister has requested this specialized little treat that she likes, and we call it Easter nest. So I will also show you the final product and have the recipe for you in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started. So with this recipe, you're going to need a half a cup of creamy peanut butter and 3/4 cups of the chow mein noodles. And you're going to need, no, I'm sorry, I apologize. It's 2 cups of the chow mein noodles and 3/4 cups of butterscotch chips. So what we're going to do is go ahead and turn the burner on to a low setting, and this is where you're going to take your half cup of peanut butter, put that in the pan. Then you need 3/4 cup of the butterscotch chips. I'm just using the Nestle Toll House one. I have a 1/4 cup here, so I'm just going to put 3 of those in. And you're going to let that come up to a slow melting temperature. And then while we're waiting on that, we're going to go ahead and measure the 2 cups of your chow mein dry noodles here. Put it in a large bowl. And the measurements don't have to be exact on the chow mein noodles, but as close as you can. And then you'll see that I have some Cadbury eggs. And this is the shimmer mini eggs. It doesn't matter if you have Cadbury or the shimmer. It's whatever chocolate covered or eggs that are covered with the shell. I noticed that they have some now that are with the Hershey Kisses. They don't have the shell, but I prefer the shell just because it makes it nice and pretty when you're finished. And as you can see, I have mixed it together, and it is already starting to slowly melt. So once we get that to melt to a nice creamy consistency, we will move on with the recipe. And while we're waiting on that to get to a creamy consistency, I wanted to take a moment here and show you my new shirt. And it says, "Plant me where the wild things grow." My husband got me this shirt from Jess and Maya at Roots and Refuge Farm. So if you guys go and check out her channel, she's got a lot of informational videos, and they're just a fun, wholesome family. I love my shirt, and I really enjoy watching Jess and Maya and the kids, and so go check them out. Alright, so our peanut butter and our butterscotch chips are now melted into a creamy consistency. There's no chunks. And this is where you'll probably have to start working pretty quickly. This does dry, and you want to be able to mold this. So we're going to go ahead and pour this in here with our noodles that we already measured out and put in the bowl. Oh, it smells so good. sure we get all of that yummy goodness in there. Alright. You're going to want a nice sturdy spoon to mix this with, because it does get a little tough to stir around in there. And mix this up. Sure all the noodles in there get nice and covered. And that's what it will look like inside your bowl. And at this point, you're going to be taking spoonfuls, and I laid down parchment paper here. And you're going to put your spoonful down on your parchment paper, mold it a little bit. Wash my hand real quick. Then you're going to take your eggs and put them in the middle, just like a bird's nest would be. And you're just going to put them, press gently in there, so you can make your little bird's nest. Do another one here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as it looks like a nest that you would see outside. Get a couple more eggs here. You can put 2 eggs, you can put 3. I'm just going to put 2 in mine. You can have them sitting up, laying down. Whatever you feel like you would like your nest to look like. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting these out, and then I will show you the final result once we get done. And there you have it. Now, as you see, if you look over here, they're starting to dry. They will remain shiny like that. And as they dry, you will see that the eggs will dry with the peanut butter and the butterscotch. So they turn out to be really, really pretty, and a great little Easter decoration / cookie for the kids and adults alike. Just wanted to thank you for stopping by, and please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, share, share, share. Thank you so much. Have a blessed week, everyone.